Sajam cha varti sanyuktam grahina yojitam mayam deepam grihana devesham Trailokya Timirapaham. O suno meri devi Parvat Vasini Tera paran paya Tera paran paya.
सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया.
सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया.
सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया.
पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल
पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल
पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल
पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल
ले तेरे भेंट चढ़ाया
ले तेरे भेंट चढ़ाया.
ओ सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी
तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया.
सुआ चोर तेरे अंग विराजे
सुआ चोर तेरी अंग विराजे
सुआ चोर तेरे अंग विराजे
सुआ चोर तेरी अंग विराजे.
केसर तिलक लगाया
केसर तिलक लगाया.
ओ सुनो मेरी देवी
पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया.
ब्रह्मा वेद बने तेरे द्वारे
ब्रह्मा वीर बने तेरे द्वारे
ब्रह्मा वेद बने तेरे द्वारे
ब्रह्मा वीर बने तेरे द्वारे.
शंकर ध्यान लगाया
शंकर ध्यान लगाया.
ओ सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पार न पाया तेरा
पार न पाया.
सतयुग द्वापर त्रेता मध्ये
सतयुग द्वापर त्रेता मध्ये
सतयुग द्वापर त्रेता मध्ये
सतयुग द्वापर त्रेता मध्ये
कलियुग राज समाया
कलियुग राज समाया.
ओ सुनो मेरी देवी
पर्वत वासिनी
Everybody.
तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया.
धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती
धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती
धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती
धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती.
मोहन भोग लगाया
मोहन भोग लगाया.
ओ सुनो मेरी देवी
पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया.
तेरा पार न पाया
तेरा पार न पाया.
Let's pray together, everybody. Om Gajananam Bhutagana
सेवितं
कपेत जम्बो
फलचारभक्षितम्
उमासुतं शो
विनाशकारकम्
नमामि विघ्नेश्वर
पारपङ्कजम्
सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये
शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके
शरण्ये
त्र्यम्बिके गौरी
नारायणी
नमोऽस्तुते।
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा
गुरुर्विष्णु
गुरुर्देवो
महेश्वरा
गुरुर्साक्षात्
परं ब्रह्मा
तस्मै श्री
गुरुवे नमः।
व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनित्याय वसिष्ठाय नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै
नमो नमः।
प्रेम से बोलो आदि शक्ति माता की जय। Devotees, please have your seat. Make yourself comfortable. Okay. Shri Adi Shakti Mata ki Jai. Last night we started a conversation that had some information in it that we don't get to discuss too often. Sometimes when we go to Yagya and Yagyashala, the person may not know the purpose behind this yag, what is to be done. The word yaj or yagya sometimes confuse the Hindu. If somebody came to you and said, "You're a Hindu, I'm not a Hindu," what that would mean? You're inviting me for yagya here in your temple, in your home, in your relative's home. There's this word yagya. What does that mean? And if we understand what that word means, then we are going to understand why we are doing what we are doing. In last night's Katha, we did not deal too much with Adi Shakti Mata. The point of last night's discourse was simply how to celebrate Navratri. And the reason we started this discourse is, let me use Shivratri as a good example. Everybody knows Lord Shiva, his worship, his prasad, his prayer, Om Namah Shivaya at a minimum. But in our recent history, let's say about 20 years back for the more senior people here, Shivratri has evolved. Do you remember a time when Shivratri was just 12 o'clock in the night, go to the temple, make one offering? And then the knowledge about this vrat grew, the practice of this prayer grew. And then we learned about what is a pahar, what is to be offered, how to jap, how to do this thing correctly. And the Hindu learns how to pray, utilizing Lord Shiva in the example of Shivratri properly. Now, Shivratri is something that people look forward to, although you're talking about all this amount of sacrifice, this amount of waking, etc. There's a lot of sacrifice that the person undergoes. But when Shivratri comes, which temple is empty or lacking? Now, When we look at Navratri or this vrat, people know of Durga Mata pretty well. We are accustomed doing Durga Puja. But last time when we were talking about how to celebrate this Navratri, for example, in our arti we are talking about Dwaja, flag being charhavi, Nariyal, or the coconut being charhavi. But if you ask the person why they are offering this coconut, the knowledge might not be too sure. They may not be too secure on it. Tonight we want to continue in this conversation where we left off, because last night I said some troubling words about children. Last night, in part of the Vrat for Navratri, it says that I must worship children. I must have what we call Kanya Kumari Puja. And in it, it says that you are looking for perfect children. You're looking for healthy children. They look at their nails, they look at their appendages, the toes, the eyesight, the hearing. So for the parent or the guardian of the child that is not as perfect, the child is special. What about them, Baba? We are saying, Pandit. What about that child? And it is something, and I'm touching on it because it is something that is quite common. Because a lot of children have different abilities, born specially made. What about them? And in touching that topic, he brings the Vyas Muni, the narrator, he brings to a point why certain things are done in our Dharma in the way it is done. Tonight, let's begin firstly from Bhagavad Gita, chapter 3, verse 10. Just this one verse. Saha yagya praja shrishtva. Lord Krishna is telling Arjuna, when man, you could rest it right, rest on all that. Then we'll show you. Don't worry. Rest it. When Brahma had done creation and mankind was made, he created one more thing together with man. This entity, this creation called Yajna. The English word for Yajna is sacrifice. And Brahma tells all of them that were now created, I have created you and I have created this thing called Yajna. By using the Yajna, allow the individual, allow the person to prosper. And allow when the person does this type of sacrifice, let them yield, let them gain, let them inherit the happiness, the enjoyment that they are seeking. Vrindavan Bihari Lala ki. In the next verse, he says, foster the devatas. Do it in a selfless manner. Worship God, but live godly as well. The sacrifice sometimes could be your time, not only money. It could be the flowers on your tree, but sacrifice, because it takes effort. And I'm giving the effort into this thing. But how I give, Karma says, for the Sanatanis, how I give is so I get. But when the person uses the yagya, or this, let's say a conference, or a coming together of people to discuss meaningful things, then by attending, as we talked about last night, listening to the prayer, listening to the discourse, the person is going to inherit betterment based on your Gita. Janbi Jai, the person listening to the discourse from last night, he's a little upset. As we go on to chapter 27, book 3. He says, Guruji, you are talking about children. And you said that if the girls have a defect in their limbs, if they have some form of skin ailment, not little pimples, but the ones that cannot heal, ulcers and sores, when they have different ailments, mental ailments, genetic ailments, bone-related ailments, they are not the fitting individual for Kanya Kumari Puja. But Guruji, aren't they innocent the same way? Couldn't we fit them in? Couldn't we place them in? As he's about to get the information, I am touching on this. Follow me. If you are doing your yagya could also mean a simple puja home. And it is quite common, people say, Babs, this child have a problem, but how we going to leave off the child? Understand what I'm saying? How we could leave out the child will feel sad, etc. But if you do your prayers incorrect, what about the side where you are praying for something? And I am putting effort, I am making all the sacrifice, but I am not doing it correct. Last night we talked about how incorrect it is when your murti, when we were talking about making the murti for Navratri, but I'm using a broken Durga murti, for example. That is not going to yield the answer that you're looking for, or the help, the resolution. So Gita says, Sattvic prayer, you follow the injuncture of your scripture. And in tonight, we're going to hear some of the things that we do and why we do it. Put your hands together as we ask Mother, because of this information, brings blessing. This is the yagya, this is the crux of it. Mother, please accept the time that I am about to sacrifice. The effort that I make tonight as we come together, as we worship communally, as we listen to your discourse. Mother, last night we listened, what is Bhagavad? What is this title referring to? Why do people tote the book on the head? Why do we do all of these things? What is the value of it? I hear that there are Puran, different Puran, but only two are called Bhagavad. Last night we explained why. Tonight, as we are about to listen to Devi Bhagavad, in the time today is something called Lakshmi Panchami, the 5th day of the Navratri. But the person who worships today, and this is why, when this moon was selected to do the prayer, yesterday was Ganesh Chaut, today is this Lakshmi Panchami. The person who is worshipping today, Lakshmi Mata, has no choice. She has to help them. She has to give them their blessings. And tomorrow night, Sheetal Mata, Katyayani Devi, she's worshipped on the 6th day. Ma, tonight as we chant the Sumiran, we ask you for your choices, blessings. Please hear our prayer. Mother, may you awaken, Jago Ma, Jago. May you awaken within me. And if I am deficient in the knowledge that I need to worship you, to build this relationship with you, Ma, awaken within me a hunger for this type of relevant knowledge, that I am not asleep, complacent, lazy, lethargic, and I'm doing the prayer, but I'm not interested in doing good prayer. Please help me to remember what I'm about to learn. Gauri Shambhu Gira Guru Govinda Ganapati Gang Sumire Vyasa Bhash Karta Devi Katha Prasang Jasundeha Mati Mati Vishaya Jo Jagamata Ta Mati Nale Kat Jahi Rupa Ko Prirak Mati Sukadhan Sakala Nigama Udsamani Trile Ka Jagavan Madhu Bhavani Ke Charana Namo Nama Sukhakan Taruna Chanda Shiradhaya Maya Karu Anukash Pash Manda Hasta Yukta Bhakta Ke Kashta Sabadukha Tras Gauri Shankara Gauri Shambhu Gira Guru Govinda Ganapati Gang Sumire Vyasa Bhash Karta Devi Katha Prasang या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै
नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दुर्गा रूपेण संस्थिता
नमो नमः
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शांति रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः श्री आदि शक्ति माता की Whenever we get the opportunity to sit together, there has to be a purpose. It can't only be to see what Asha cook, what the parsad is like. They invite me, so I went. And the answer for that, why are we doing this sacrifice, is to awaken. In many bhajans, you will hear something called Jago. Jago, Jago Ma. Pandit, I come into Jagawi, my job. Diwali night, I'm going to Jagawi. Jagana is the Hindi word that means you could be physically awake, but I am none the wiser. It is as if I am ruled by an inertia, a heaviness. If you look at the show called The Matrix, you will see somebody physically awake, but they are lost in a trap and they can't see it. And when the person is awakening, it is believed as the Hindu that the mother is wakening. Jagawe, a Bhojpuri word on the same thing, different language, but it means that I am going to awaken the beads, the energy of the mantra that I am chanting. The person is using this thing to wake it up. Wake it up. Wake up what? The Shakti, the mother inside the person. There are different ways to do it. Repetition, using different hand gestures. Knowledge is another way. Tonight, let us hear a little bit from our Devi Bhagwat about more about this Navratri as we learn about our mother's worship. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samstita Namastasye 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 Namo Namah Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu. Everybody, let's sing together a little bit. Namastasye, Namastasye,
Namastasye, Namo Namah Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samskrita
Arogni Swarupiyatam Sundari Brahmanye Jate Evam Yena Shudaye Kanya Sukanya Vipraye Pujitam Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu
Shakti Rupena Samskrita
Namastasye Namastasye
Namastasye Namo Namah Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu
Shakti Rupena Samstita. When a person is doing the vrat for the goddess, and as we said at the end of the day or at the end of the period, let the person invite these girls as we had described last night and worship them, washing feet, feeding them, etc. But allow them to be reflections of the Devi. Not only are we looking at physical features, but also mental ability. The reason for this, O Janbi Jai, if the person is worshipping the goddess in different forms, the earth, the element of fire, the murti that it is not broken, damaged, it is clean, thus you have to clean your murti before prayer is going to be offered. In the same way, the little girl that has karma to have eyesight, hearing, proper bodily functions, etc., that girl has the karma to be worshipped. In a different section, it talks about how a person, let me just say we go fast forward to a wedding. And sometimes my mom was a widow, so I'm talking from experience. Time now for the Mati Korona to be done. And the ladies walk with the tassa as we talked about last night. They go and they do the 5-leaf prayer on the ground. And when the prayer finished, they share sindoor. Ladies, all remember that? Lady to lady, the sindoor is shared. But what about I'm using myself, what about my poor mother, who is a widow, and she can't get the sindoor? Baba, you go fit in, let she wait now. Nobody ever know. Think what I'm saying? This is how the shortcut is come. We're going to do, Baba, we going to break this rule. Read your Gita, Tamasic prayer is when you start to do prayer for your convenience, for your ease, for your happiness, or to appease other people. What's the problem in this example of my mother not being fit to take part in that? There's 3 of us she had, and she could not see one get married. She was witnessing, but she didn't do the steps. We had to adopt parents. Why is that? Think about going now when this step with the sindoor is being offered. Think about the Pav Puja step, and it's time now to get blessing. The person does not have the karma to bless you with what they do not have. So my mother said very simple, I cannot have 20, 30 years marriage. I'm going to bless you with what I cannot have. Fast forward now. The girl don't get married. You know what I'm talking about. The girl in she white dress maybe, and they posing for picture, and the auntie and the tanty will come with a nice little baby and put it in she lap to bring good luck, good tidings. God bless you. One day you're going to have baby now. Good. Sometimes when children born, depending on the patra of the mother, sickness is coming for the child. Easy example, daddy has a girl going to get into a car accident and the child in the front seat, and daddy patra interfere with the child in that example. In the same way, parental patra could interfere with the lifespan of children, especially in that first year. So a tutka is a tradition, a practice that is allowing the person to overcome the karma. So what they do in our language, we say they sell the baby. You'll ever hear about that? Who they go by? The mother now, biological mother has a baby, but the patra child only getting sick, only getting sick. So they go by a girl who has the karma to have plenty, healthy, happy children. These children are born with no defect. She has the ability to hold child after child. Mother, she's a mother after mother. God has blessed her that milk is flowing from she body. That person has good karma for children. So they will exchange 25 cents for the baby. Baby just come back to mother. But now the baby belongs karma-wise to that person. Because of her ability, the mother in this case is not the best person to tag this child, like the wedding. In this case again now, if the person follow me in different religion, you just hear it every time we go to pray for people in the hospital. Baba, I just do my Durga prayers, I just do this, I just do that, I just put up every flag she have. But look what my child going through. How did God allow the child to born? Let me be brutally honest here tonight. Blind, deaf, dumb, autistic, ADHD. Why did a child have to born just to die? It is very hurtful to say it, but the answer is karma. There are many examples historically in our text that when, for example, Draupadi and the Pandavas, when their children, you the best friend are Krishna. So Krishna couldn't save your unborn children. Somebody destroys the children in the mother womb, long story short. But then when they ask, well, what did those children do to get that hurtful experience? And you hear about the sins and the hurtful things they committed. And because of those hurtful moments, they had to walk with this pain in this life. Whilst in other religion, God makes man in his image, perfection. The truth is, brothers, sisters, check your own body. You perfect? When sickness, when the hair dropping off, when the hearing going, when the skin getting different color, where was God when this child was being made? In different discourse, Gurdpran says, well, if in this life you like to give false, I go to court and I say, Andy killed the people. But that is not true, and I know it a lie. Don't worry, brother, in your next life, it will work. You like to gossip? Don't worry, brother, in your next life, it will work. In your next life, you like to listen to the gossip? In your next life, it will work. And God make you. For this reason, you see a variation. We could be born from the same parents. We could eat from that same pot whole life. People is talking about genetics, the genome. The same mother and father make two are we, but we totally different. One brave, one coward. One tall, one short. Sickness, no sickness. The variation comes from the karma. In this example of the Navratri, is nothing personal against the child. Just like in the case of my mother. But because you do not have the karma to lift your hand and bless, this person, this entity, this child in this example is not the person for this type of prayer. I am not saying you invite the child and maybe, God bless you, you could afford it. You could give the child a gift, one side, the 9. When home we doing Kanyakumari Puja, you could imagine the 9 in front, fine, but 50 other children come in because they were gift. Don't turn back none. But the 9 that is used with mantra has to have a certain caliber. And when you bow to such children, there is where you get the blessing that you are looking for. Bottom line, the person has the karma to lift their hand and say, God bless you, you'll get through. With the things we talked about last night. When we pray to the 4-year-old, and just to remind you, I want to conquer hardship and bad and poverty, you'll do it. Wash your feet. But if that child does not have that karma or that capability, you will wash the foot, she will get gift, but you wouldn't see the change you're looking for. But the person will say, Baba, I doing these prayers, I'm doing the prayers, but nothing no change in my life. Then, this is where we could improve in the prayer. We could be making an error and we may not realize it. Prem se bolo Adi Shakti Mata ki. Jan Vijay says, suppose a person cannot get the girls together. This is why we get the girls together for the chumain, for the wedding. When we want them to come and touch, who is coming? The mother is coming to Ongche, the person who is getting married. If the person cannot get all of them every day, get one as the Navratri is going, what could we do? Let's hear what happens in this sloka. Sita Ram Ram Ram, Sita Ram Ram Ram, Sita Ram Ram Ram, Sita Ram Ram Ram. Ram Ram Ram, Sita Ram Ram Ram, Sita Ram Ram Ram, Sita Ram Ram Ram, Sita आशक्तो नित्य पूजन कुरना चेतवन्याति अष्टमी यातौ कुरवार पूजन सदा दुर्गाति ये दक्ष यज्ञ निविशायातम् सीताराम राम राम सीताराम राम राम
सीताराम राम राम सीताराम राम राम
सीताराम राम राम सीताराम राम राम सीताराम राम राम सीताराम राम राम आशो अम्बाये कुरुयातं सरनैवेद्य सृष्टये याति पापये ये ना विश्वये याति भोजन फल पुष्प माला ये यातौ सीताराम
राम राम सीताराम राम राम सीताराम राम राम सीताराम राम राम
सीताराम राम राम सीताराम राम राम श्री आदि शक्ति माता की जय. If the person cannot do the worship for the entire 9-day period, sometimes you have people that have job, different problems are affecting them, and the question comes, if I can't do it, imagine somebody has to go for a surgery, something relevant. I'm not saying this to fuel children. I could do the shortcut. Baba said I could do the shortcut. But sometimes the mature person has a circumstance. I have to travel, Baba. What to do? What could I do? If the person cannot worship for the entire 9-day period, let the person worship for the Saptami, Ashtami and Navami days. Those are the last 3 days of the Navratri. Those days are governed by different forms, and they give the extra oomph as the battle between Mahisasur and Chandika Devi, Durga Mata, Kali Mata were being worshipped. If the person has to worship there, do Havan using different beads, mantra. As the person goes to Jagawe or to awaken the power of these mantras. If the person has to offer different type of sweet delicacies, let them make them for these days at a minimum. If the person cannot do these 3 days vrat, but they only could do 1 day of the Navratri period, what is the best day? Let the person do the Durga Ashtami day, the 8th day. The 8th day is the most powerful day for this type of prayer where you are only doing 1 day. The person is not going to hone all the benefits of Kumari and different forms, but on that day, the person can do their Jagawin or the offering. They can worship all the Kanya on that 1 day and still get the blessings of the Navratri Puja. Shri Adi Shakti Mata ki Jai. Janmejai, son of Raja Parikshit. Raja Parikshit is the grandson. You know, on your cover of your Bhagavad Gita is Arjun talking. After the Mahabharata war, from Yudhishthir, he gives it to his grandson, the crown on his head. He says, Parikshit, you become king now. You rule this big city. And when it was time for Kali Yuga to come, Parikshit doesn't want to rule anymore. He gives it to Janmejai. Janmejai now is asking all these questions. When a person makes this sacrifice, Guruji, what is the benefit? Go over for me. For every child listening here, you're saying a person, if they do 7 day, 8 day, 9 day, they get different blessing. But what is the blessing? What it is we really do this for? Please listen. Sometimes we're doing prayers home, the wife telling the husband, you have to fast, you know. Navratam coming. And the first thing the husband will say, why are you doing that for? And we don't pop the flag and put it don't come for the air. For that type of conversation, took a little ammunition now. So when you're quarreling with the husband, how the husband go vex upon it. Understand why you do it. For children who don't want to get up in the morning to offer the dar, understand where I'm coming from. If you're giving the effort, if you're doing the yagya at a personal level, I have to get up very early with the highway traffic pundit. But I get up 3 o'clock in the morning and I say my prayer, I do my prayer. Wow, that is a great sacrifice. Why are you doing it? I don't know. The wife tell me to do it. Then there's something missing inside of your heart. Why I'm saying it so? Imagine when you go to pray, it's you and your murti. We talked about that last time. But I don't know why I'm doing these things. I don't know what is the purpose. So when you go, imagine your murti at home, come alive. And she says, son, I'm real happy with your boy. You make that sweet rice perfect, 100 marks. What is you praying for? And you know, because you don't talk. I'm a good boy. I stay very quiet when prayer is going on. We are taught to be very quiet. But the truth is, that's the time to talk the most, because this is the one person who could listen to your troubles, would not bad talk you, ill speak you, drag you, go and tell everybody you're here. It had trouble in the marriage, you know. You're here, the child stopped listening to the parents, you know. This is the person, this is the real psychiatrist now, who wants to help you, and you talk the least to that person. Amazing. But when we go, Baba, we have the flag in the yard, we're doing all the prayers, Parsad, we're getting big and fat like you, Baba, Parsad every night. But no help, no change in my life. Then we must be doing something wrong. If we were in the kitchen and the food tasting salty, maybe I'm cooking wrong. Maybe I'm throwing too much salt. Maybe there's a remedy. What is pull out salt, Jenna? If I throw in something in the pot and I throw too much salt, what could I throw in the pot? Daddy helping you there. Maybe some tomatoes. Maybe some aloo. There has to be something to fix the problem. You understand what I'm saying? In everything, it's just sometimes we don't know the art of cooking. We don't know the art of praying. We don't know the art of living too. So our yagya is to learn about that. Let's join now. Jan Vijay is going to hear why you're doing all of this. You're talking about fasting, giving, sacrificing. Why am I doing it? Besides pleasing the wife. Why am I doing this? Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. Everybody.
Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol.
Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol.
Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol.
Jai Jai Radha Ramana, Jai Jai Radha Ramana, Jai Jai Radha Ramana, Jai Jai Radha Ramana.
Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol.
Danya he dhyan pradan nitya sukh dhyayatam santa buddhiyah roga chaivayatam moksha dhamayati vidyaye ayahe putra pautrayaham bhavati ayahe.
Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol.
The depending on the karma of the person. Karma is a big word. There are different types of karma. Let me say we have a big category called karma, but inside of that it have subset. It have parabd karma. Parabd karma is the karma coming from a last birth. Please remember your words. Parabd karma is the karma that says, God, he was a good guy. In this life, I'll allow him. He'll have the karma to get married. He'll get the karma to have a brother. He'll get the karma to have children. This other person, he wasn't as good. No marriage. He'll have to face divorce, separation, death. Like my mother, she was a widow when she was 31. Karma. This person doesn't have that amount of grace. But parabd karma could give good. The person gets to live in a home. The person has a house from the day they're born to the day they die. They have that comfort. Things now that we take for granted. Some of you, when we were growing up, I remember I used to complain we had to tote water in bucket. Nowadays, Jana only had to press the pump. And my grandmother used to tell me, you talking about bucket? When we had to tote from the river, you think we had it easy? As things change, how do you get the things you take for granted? Karma. Parabd karma. Parabd karma gives people different gifts. Hardship, good gift. Bad times, good times. He says, depending on the person who is praying, the person might have poverty, garibi, they might have riches. But if the person wants to improve in their financial, let them do Navratri Brat. If the person is a farmer, some people have that type of barakat when they touch a plant. They're planted, they're weeded, they're put no kind of, how you call it, fertilizer. It growing. Anything that touch it come in. And one like me, as I touch it, watch it, it's dead. I don't have that grace. Some people, by the grace of God, children coming. Bless them again. They'll get to live to see the eyes of their grandchildren. What a blessing. When you go in the hospital room, the girl fight. Watch how this life funny. Watch how it funny. Karma, he says, how to choose if the soul is the same between man and woman. The difference between the man and the woman. The man has an income amount of better, of goodness, good karma. What you saying, Pandit? What you saying, Pandit? All the ladies watching. But when you watch your life, she laughing. When you watch the life of the lady, let me just say the parent. Let me just say the parent. You know what I'm talking about. Two of us are parent, Pandit, equally in the court, equal rights. Good. Watch the sacrifice the lady does make to tote and bill. As Pandit has always talk about easy and hard funeral. When we meet up on the creek or the crematorium and Pandit's talking, you go here between we, you have an easy funeral today? You have a hard one today? Which one you have? And what we're talking about is if it's a man or a woman burning. A man's body, the bone, the density of the bone, it didn't go no way. He whole life drinking milk, the bone thick. But the lady now, for every child, that skeleton that child have come out from she marrow. From the marrow of her bone, so the bone getting thinner and thinner and thinner and thinner. When you put that lady on the fire, she burns fast at 10 to 1. The sacrifice the lady make, but oh Lord, she come equal with the man now, who never had back pain, belly pain, blood loss, etc. Equal benefit. In fact, make the baby in the hospital room. Baba, I'm a daddy now. Good job. God bless you. Could I go and see the child? Why is that important? When the father and the child, boy or girl, meet for in the hospital room, the father get blessing. Mommy get all the work, but no blessing for she. Aja and Aji go in the room now. When the Nana and Nani get to see the grandparents, because they get great blessing. Think about the grandparents that live to hold that grandchild. When the doctor says you have jaundice and you have to walk them in the sun, it have a whole sanskar. The first meeting, Chuda Karma sanskar. The daddy gets a lift and he says, Moon, look my baby. Son, look my baby. Daddy, mommy, look, I bring a child for you. And they whisper in the right ear and the left ear. If you ever see the prayer, karma gives you the ability to do that. But if you don't have that karma, the person might never get the joy of holding their own. You might not have the life or the arms if you have a stroke to lift that child. If you cannot get up to hold that child, but God make me man. The person who is praying to have the son, to have the grandson, daughter, granddaughter, to be able to enjoy them. I have a granddaughter, but I don't get to see she pundit. And it's grieved to see that child. Do no ratry, brother. And what is separate, what is far, you will get to see, you'll get to hold, you'll get back the help and the health. You'll bring peace in the family. You'll bring back the joy. And what you don't have, where your karma is lacking, it will fill. But something have to cause that fulling or returning of goodness to you. Your grandchild lie down in a bed. Think tonight, I saw the minister talking about the child who lost her neck. Very hurtful thing. Think about the parent. Don't let me go so far. Think about the parent who has to live to see the child in ICU. And they want to know what I could do to help this child. Every grandparent, whilst the parents are praying, mortgage, bills, work. Pundit, we can't come temple, we can't come the prayers, we can't come the judge. We have to make money to pay the bills. The grandparents now, these hearts are soft. They have a different focus in that third ashram. And they sit down, you know what, Babs? If I have to do that prayer for my grand, that's my grand, I'll do it. Pray, do your Navratri, brother, and you'll get the help for these grandchildren. Vidya ye ayatam dam ye putridam bhavati nayakam tadaye vidhikam brata ye ayatam saubhagye nishkale eva shivayatam sarvaye ayaham.
Jai Radha Raman Hari Bol, Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari Bol, Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari Bol, Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari Bol.
When people like to ill speak children, people like to cry down children that are different. The child, Baba, you see that child? That child can't sit down easy. That child different, Baba. Let me be frank, I saying it, eh? That child have epilepsy. That child have this, that child have that. Baba, don't bring that child, don't invite that child. Wrong. Baba, it have anything I could do for that child? When it's 2 months before before the full moon, the epileptic child with the radiation of that moon coming closer to the earth, just as how the magnetic pull of the moon is interfering with the ocean water. The wave when it's new moon calm, but when it's full moon now, it raises up. The person's body is made with fluid, water. So when it's full moon time, the magnet is interfering with you. Hyper, angry, vexed. You ever hear somebody say you're moving like the moon? If I hit you today, you'll laugh. The same lash when it's full moon, you're vexed, you're crying, you're moody, you're being affected by the moon. It have anything we could do to calm down the situation, Baba? The child doesn't want to sleep, the child doesn't stop crying. Fast for Navratri. And you see the head that is affected by what you cannot control. Could I control the moon? The magnet in the cell phone, you will hear psychologists today break, they have ADHD, break the screen time, mommy, daddy, break the eyes watching that screen too much. It's interfering with their brain and it is causing a certain amount of irritation. Come watch the West, lady look shut up, eh? A kind of shortened behavior, a kind of ridiculous temper. They don't have the ability to read like how they used to read. Break this link with this magnet inside the phone. Baba, I didn't know it have a magnet in the phone. Think for yourself, what getting hot? When the phone getting hot, what getting hot? What inside there is plugged on that is getting heated? And where the heat is go when it day like this? When you have that type of problem, do Navratri, brother. Make the sacrifice. And when there is a deficiency in the ability to learn. I remember when I was in school days, my head a little hard. I wasn't too well with the maths multiple choice. There was a lessons place, Petit Cafe Junction, and it had a teacher named Mr. Sibran. I don't know if he's a relative, but he did a multiple choice booklet. And God bless that man every day, because if it wasn't for that, I wouldn't have passed the subject. This is my sister. She's strong in maths. She used to teach me. She's younger than me, you know. And she used to come home. Hey, you stupid, eh? Hey, why you so poor? God make me so. So I use it myself, everybody. Follow me. when you find your child head hard, and sometimes maybe the brain are pulling it as fast, they can't recall the different rules. Do your navratri. But when you're doing it and you offer in the dar with all the fruit juice and all the different ingredients in your prayer, make sure and say, Mom, offering this one on behalf of my grandson. He good, stupid. Help him, mother. Help him open the brain and help him to remember what is quadratic equation, what is trigonometry, what is binary code, what is all them things. Help me to remember that. And by the grace of mother, somehow the hard head get degree and thing now. Somehow we just do the memory for the music and still have degree. When mothers and fathers could pray properly for the children that cannot pronounce, it's another language, let me be fair. But the parents are so strong, God give me good mother and father that they could stand in prayer on behalf of this child. If mother and father only studying, you see him, I'm going to show him how I'm going to pray today. My husband get me vexed, and I'm going to show him who's suffering. The hard-headed child. But if, according to Gita chapter 1, when you know you're in Kali Yuga, when the mother of the home fail, when that mother fail, you are in Kali Yuga. Because the womb you come from, you work for it. Karma give you that lady. That lady could go and pick up your book, light your diya, have a standard in your life, tuck in your shirt, you're going to school, comb your hair, wear the proper uniform, follow the rules. You need to get up. I don't care what. Say a prayer before you leave this house. Or the lady could say, well, if a Sunday fall on a Monday, I don't care what you do. You want to sleep, sleep. You don't want to pick up your book, don't take it up. You want to, when you come out the washroom, don't wash your hand. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. That's okay. But then mommy is the only person who will teach you table manners, toilet manners, have regard, how to treat. Today we live in a country where men cannot hear the word no. No, this causes a different type of vibration. I don't know where the magnet is come, but it is caused a beast up here. Everybody have a temper. But when you're talking about killing women, but oh Baba, we washing all the women feet, and you're doing all the woman puja, but kill them. Something wrong. Something wrong. This is where the mother has to teach your son, don't be a monster. This is where the mother has to teach the girl child, know how to talk, know how to work. There's a time to stand and there's a time to compromise. There's a way to make a life. When I have the karma for proper parents, that will feed into every step of my life. You hear somebody say, boy, when I was home, my father used to do this. My father teach me, you see, when Naratam come, you have to light your diya. And you have a standard in your life. So the girl now gets married into the next family, and she brings that standard with her. But Kali Yuga is when that platform is missing. And friends get to influence your children. The school friends start to tell them how to talk as if they come from Jamaica. They start to abuse their religion and their culture. That is stupid. Why am I wearing a sari? I don't want that. But other culture follow it. When friends start to become the parents, then we in Kali Yuga. When parents want to be friends and they don't want to be parents and they cannot discipline their children, oh boy, we live in a world with monsters. We live in a society with trouble. When children go haywire, oh Jan Vijay, listen what to do. Purva jannam yahe kirtavayat ham brataye naat he putra pauta yahe priviye ayata dhyanaye ayati vidhi dhamaya he vishwadhamaya ho jai Radha Ramana Hari
Bol, Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol, Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol, Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol.
Jai Jai Radha Ramana, Jai Jai Radha Ramana, Jai Jai Radha Ramana, Jai Jai Radha Ramana, Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol.
Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol.
Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. Vrindavan Bihari Lal Ki Jai. When children are going from a genetic standpoint, mental standpoint, they are going wayward. They are going haywire. They are not taking the training and teachings of parents. They are not taking the training and teaching of the law. I have a child, he has court matter. Is there a mantra to use? Yes, it have that. When the person have court matter, when they have bail, when they have different hearings, divorce, and my child going crazy, I afraid my child kill himself because of this divorce and then custody sharing. This boy cannot take the stress. This girl is going crazy. Is there a prayer? Let the parent, forget the person going through the hardship. Let the parent get up and do Navratri breath. And where there needs to win in this court matter, where there is help, you'll get the help and you'll bring back the equilibrium in their mind and their body. Is it possible to see a child improve in a situation where you have autism or some form of specially able situation? Yes. Today we're still learning about those things. Teachers are still learning the role of colors. For example, if I write with black marker on the whiteboard, child will understand that. Put red, green, blue, different colors, different words, and the brain take it. Sometimes it's not the child is the problem, It's we as teachers don't know the method to get it into the child. But long ago, before these things were done, you would hear, he kind of slow. Send Pandit to learn welding. Or send Pandit to do plumbing. Give him a trade because he can't understand the maths too much. And put that child aside. But your Dharma says, if as a parent you have this type of karma in the form of the child, there is still a way to help that child. And as different teaching methods are used, maybe different medication could be used depending on the situation, coupled with prayer, the child could grow out of the circumstance. There could be improvement, just as how you and I know people get sickness. The doctor says, make arrangement, funeral coming. And the person who has faith, Shraddha, they sit down and they do their prayer ardently. The doctor will come back and ask you, how you do that? How come you still living? How come you still functioning? Where's the secret? What prayer did you say? And this is an example of that. If there is a person who realizing sometimes in a family because of generational curse, there's something called Pitra Dosh. When funeral rites is done incomplete, when people neglect tarpan, shrad, etc., every time the next generation is going to have a baby, miscarriage, stillbirth, miscarriage, we can't get babies. Only girl children, nobody to carry on the name. Different circumstances. Let them do Navratri breath. Offer that type of fruit. And this is why the Lapsi and Sohari is a traditional offering. But what yields the blessing? The seed. The coconut is paramount. The things like papoy and fruits that have plenty seed, that has the inherent ability to grow. Offer that in prayer. Offer those type of things to the mother. Mother, just as how we did it for the wedding when they patch the lawa or the seed that have the ability to grow. Boy and girl offering it in the fire. Bless us with fertility so that we will have continuity in the family. Bless us now. We having a little problem. Different people have different problems, but this is how you solve the problem. If the person takes to the Navratri Vrat, there is nothing, Janbijay, they cannot achieve if only they would use the prayer method and converse with faith, with the belief. When the person does this, they are going to be able to achieve everything. Prem se bolo Adi Shakti Mata ki jai. In the next verse he says, when the person, now this will apply to everybody, hear this one. When the person has a lot of body pain, muscle pain, bone pain, headache, wherever in your body, pain, painfulness. Imagine somebody, rain going and fall. Oh God, Baba, it look like rain coming. And he make a nice pineapple pepper sauce. I play fast, I eat a little thing. God, pain. But God make me remember that. Consider what I said. I come from God. But oh, Lord Father, pain. Everyday pain. The lady who have a very with all respect, a very sometime-ish experience with menopause, pain. A sometime-ish experience with the pregnancy, pain. The sometime-ish experience with the cycle, monthly cycle, pain. The experience is very painful. What could I do? जय भोले बाबा तब शरणम, जय भोले बाबा तब शरणम, जय भोले बाबा तब शरणम, जय सांब सदा शिव तब शरणम,
जय सांब सदा शिव तब शरणम,
रक्ता भिल्वा पत्रयातम, कोमल भेदा पत्रयाते, भवानी पूजन ये याति, भवये यन्ति शम प्रार्थना, जय भोले बाबा तब शरणम,
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 जय सांब सदा शिव तब शरणम,
जय सांब सदा शिव तब शरणम,
दुख भृत ये भिल्व पत्रयांतम, भवानी ये नंदी ये आती, भवनी हम भवानी तम, नवरात्रि भिल ये आतो, जय भोले बाबा तब शरणम,
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 जय सांब सदा शिव तब शरणम,
जय सांब सदा शिव तब शरणम,
जय सांब सदा शिव तब शरणम। प्रेम से बोलो महापति महादेव की जय। Remember, you are the Hindu. Somebody asks you, well, I see we just offer bay leaf. What we just do that for? You are the Hindu. You're supposed to know why you do certain things. I'm just using one leaf. Last night when we finished and we were sitting by the table, my sister tell me, oh God, boy, you're throwing out too much information. People will forget. But if you don't teach properly and you give the person halfway information, piece of the information, then the person is robbed of the opportunity to do the correct thing. As a teacher, your job is to provide the information. In this crowd, it have people with some karma here and some karma here. It's a mixed crowd. It have 5-year-old, 50-year-old. It's a rough thing to talk to everybody equal. Some will understand, some will understand it differently. Fine. But it is left to you, the listening person, to uplift yourself, your work. I didn't understand it. Maybe I have to hear it again. Maybe I'll go over it. Maybe it's on TV. I'll watch it again. But I have to learn that. I want to get it. And when the information is shared, you use it. You don't forget it. You don't leave it aside until next year, Navratri. I hear that before, you know. Can't remember. Do you know it have rules for your bay leaf? The Bail Ashtakam, which is something we chant for Lord Shiva. Second verse. Trై Shakti Belva Patrasya Yachira Komale Shubhe Shiva Pujan Karishyami Eka Belva Shiva Param. If the person offers uncut leaves to Lord Shiva, the person by the blessing of Nandishwar, Nandi, is able to overcome all their past sins. Uncut leaf. If you didn't know, I'm telling you now. Remember this. The rule for bay leaf, other verses describe it. You know, on the tree, sometimes it's tree like this. Sometimes it's missing a piece. Sometimes it comes from the tree with a hole or a tata or tear. When you offer poorly made bay leaves, the karmic blessing is you inherit eye problems. Why is it I'm getting this problem? Why did God allow me to have this problem? one example or one cause of that problem is you could be a person offering your dar, but you're offering 1,000 bay leaves, 200 bay leaves, but they are ripped, torn, broken. And in this way, when you offer something that is not appropriate, you get punishment. Okay, no problem. But Babs, I didn't know it have that. You know it. Imagine I make the parsad and I eat from it first, and then I went to do the puja. Oh, substandard offering, substandard blessing, substandard outcome. Proper information is required to get optimum blessing when you're doing prayer. It is better, the quality is better than quantity. I said it last night, I'm saying again. If I offer one bay leaf, that will yield more blessing than if I offer 1,000 poorly made, badly stated. Let me say you have it in the fridge and it's breaking. For people living in different countries, sometimes they have to use refrigerated, not fresh from the tree. But if it's broken, it still gives problems. He says, if the person is going through all forms of bodily pain, I have a daughter, for example, and when she gets the cycle, Baba, she just can't walk, she just can't go to school, she just can't go to work, she's debilitated. It is as if this pain is paralyzing her. Such people that have a body that has karma, that all the pain is hitting them, constantly ruled by pain, take at least one bay leaf and offer to Bhavani Mata, offer to Chandika Devi, use your mantra and offer it in the dar, in the puja, in the havan. Janbi Jai asked a question, Darius asked me last night, so where's the big fuss about bay leaf? Let me ask you that you're the Hindu. What is the value of the origination? Skand Puran says that when at one point Parvati Mata is passing and she saw a huge bale tree, and she asked to Jai and Vijay, the attendants that were with her, what is this tree? What is this tree? Where did this tree come from? Jai says, Ma, don't you remember? The bale tree comes from your body. When you got married to Shiv Baba, after you and Shiva separated, you were sweating, profusely sweated. And one drop of sweat from your mang, from where we just put the little piece of gold here, the mang part, this piece, from there a drop of sweat fell on the earth. And that drop created this plant. You gave it the name Bilva. That plant that will bring blessing. That plant that whilst the person used the wood, used the root, used the leaves, the person gains blessing. She says, it's true, did that happen? If a person, mother, you don't know this, if a person approaches the bale tree with devotion, collects the leaf, meaning they ask the tree for the blessing because there's a Devi, dear Ma, could I use your tree, your leaves in my puja? They bow to the earth. They collect the earth from by the bale tree for things like the triangle, the chausa. That dirt from there has value. If a person with faith worships the tree, arti the tree, they get the blessings of Chandika Devi. And the person, whatever they are praying for, they get it. If a person sees the leaves and they offer it in havan, dipped in ghee, dipped in honey, dipped in sweet rice, the fear, the anger, the different things that are plaguing the person, those things, Mother, by your grace, go. If a person make up their mind to bite the tip of the leaf after the prayer is finished, and part of their vrat is to eat the tip of the leaf, then for 1,000 janam, 1,000 birth, sins are going to be burnt away. Pandit, we're talking about eating leaf. All I never hear that. For every mamu sit down here in the audience, you ever went when the people getting married and the mamu come in, I think they just use mango leaf. And they just give the boy, the girl to eat it, and then she spit it out and the mother just eat it. All you ever see that part? But watch how we Hindu, and I'm pulling on this just for this reason, is not mango leaf. Is bale. Bale have the Devi in it. So when they said this, if you eat the tip, You're telling me past sins, all the pain, physical pain in your previous janam, people who commit abortion, people who commit murder, people who commit adultery, and they are in this life punishing in their previous birth, the soul went through pain. All of that collective sin, if I do prayer and I eat the tip of the bale, I will get that blessing. Why is this so? Parvati Mata is asking the girls who are with her, Mother, the bale tree is your form, your force, and your force, your energy, that Tej destroys sin. You, when people have different Surya Narayana problem, when they have eye problem, when they have skin ailment, psoriasis, etc., leprosy, etc., and we are doing, you see the part where you ever see people holding the lota for Surya Narayana Sunday morning there, you hold the lota, your elbow supposed to be straight. You're facing east, so as the sun is coming up Sunday morning in particular, and you're tipping forward with the offering, you're telling the sun, burn my body. And you see the sickness that I have, destroy it. The radiation that is coming from the eastern direction, destroy the ailment here. Before the person does that, they have to bathe. Spiritual bath, bathing is imperative in all prayer in Hinduism. Long before COVID was talking about the need for this cleansing and that cleansing, Hindu talked about taking off their shoes before you come inside. Hindu talked about the need for washing hands before every offering. Hindu had this cleansing. But in this case, take a piece of the root of the bale tree, maybe about your index finger, boil it, and then take that water when it cool and use Surya mantra to bathe. Now you are ready to offer Surya Narayana Dar Arg. And ask Surya Narayana Swami, you in charge of my eyes, my circulation system, the hair. Oh gosh, I'm losing my hair. Gurdpran tell you why it is loose hair. If God make everybody, how come he make some people bald head and some people, the hair only have to cut? The person with the hair that missing in your previous birth, you lit fire to somebody's house. You cause conflict. And just as the physical fire, imagine some people is light, other people land, etc. They light a light fire. The fire light here. And the person is marked because of the sin. So when you are praying, Prabhu, if I did make a mistake in my last life, forgive me. Dear God, my eyes aren't working. If I made a mistake in my last life, forgive me. On the body, why does God allow these marks to exist? Why does God allow flaws on the person's body? Look back at yourself. Our text tell you why it have moles, different birthmarks on the body, so that the person looking at themselves will know their history. So when they go to pray, God, it looked like I used to real cause trouble. Forgive me for that. God, when the person have a no thin or none type of top lip, their mouth used to get between two people. Husband and wife have problem, and you're getting in between. In your next life, when you like to cause that ukmaj, you're going to be marked. I can't do it. And no, a very thin lip. If this person going to put lipstick, sometimes they'll put the lipstick on the mustache. Why God make me different? Think about it. This is your body. This is you. And your body is telling you, hello, it have a little history for you, you know. But you know it. Think about what I'm saying. The person uses the root, mother. You are sitting there in the form of Girija. Dakshani is in the stem, Maheshwari in the branches, so they use it when they're burning. When the person trimming the tree, they use it in the havan. And then they take the ash, the basma, and you see they put tikka. If you ever see great tikka on my forehead, that is where it's coming from the havan, from the things that we burn. When you go and you get Sai Baba Vibhuti, that is from the havan, and I'm putting it on my body. Dear God, protect me from sickness, because mother is there. Why is bay leaf offered? If mother is in the bay leaf, why is it offered to Shiva? Because it is a murti of Parvati, the leaf itself. So to please Shiva, this leaf is presented to him. Katyayani Devi, the lady for tomorrow night, she's in the fruit. So there are certain prayers. When the prayer finish, you take the fruit of the bale, you make juice with it, and you share it for people to drink. When people have Mangal Grah, they take beetroot and they offer it red. He's the red planet, and in our prayers, everything is red for him. And you take the beetroot, you mix it into juice, and you share it for guests. More you share, more the people say, wow, this thing is real nice. Good thing are coming on the prayers. More blessing flow to you. Good karma. This bale tree, oh mother, has a Shakti on every picker. Picker. What is this picker for? For the ladies who know about what I'm talking about. Maybe the men don't know. When the girl make the baby, and sometime in the nodule on the chest, block, a pinch, the milk flow to, let me say, halfway. But it cannot flow out her body. It's blocked. The ladies, the Naunia, the one who know about it, because obviously a man can't do this. They go by the bale tree, harvest the bigger picker, and they'll start from the shoulder blade with Devi mantra, and they pull it, and they pass the thorn where the lump is, and they come down to where the breast, where the milk is going to flow, all respect. Now understand why. Mother, take away this trouble. Simple language for children. Take away this trouble. There are many examples when they are doing Shivratri, Navratri, they collect the picker in this plant from the bale. They break it, dip it in ghee and burn it so that you get different type of blessing. Why? Because Mother is standing there in the different forms of Shakti. For this reason, it is offered. In the lower part of the tree, Aparna Devi. In the middle part of the tree, depending where the cutting come from, Uma Devi. In the flowers that is associated with the different variety of the bale tree, Durga Mata. For this reason, their Parvati, their goddess, Ishwar, in different places, said like the Bale Ashtakam, if a person wishes to make me happy, they have to offer bale leaves to me, because it's the goddess. But it must be of a certain nature. If the person takes that knowledge and they practice the offering of the bale properly, think about what you, as the Hindu, as the Sanatanis, could accomplish. Let's join together. As Janbi Jai says, oh, all these explanations, Guruji, please guide me, tell me more, tell me more. Pahi pahi, pahi pahi, Gajanana, Parvati Nanda Gajanana. Pahi pahi,
pahi pahi, pahi pahi, Gajanana, Parvati Nanda Gajanana.
Lambodar hai Gajanana,
Lambodar hai Gajanana,
Lambodar hai Gajanana,
Lambodar hai Gajanana,
Lambodar Gaj Vicharana,
Lambodar Gaj Vicharana.
Pahi pahi, pahi pahi,
Pahi pahi, Gajanana, Parvati Nanda Gajanana.
नारायण ये शिव ये ब्रह्मचारण दुख ये ना सिद्ध करी जगदम्बिका ये युतया भूले नोया ये ना भवन्ति ते पाहि 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 पाहि
Pahi pahi, Gajanana, Parvati Nanda Gajanana.
विष्णु रुद्र हिरण्य गर्भा तत्पर येना कुबीरो येना भरुनाते मंत्र दैत्य मंत्र सर्वादेता ये नायातर ये नातम. How sinful, Guruji, based on what you're explaining, how sinful it is when a person neglects this brat, this opportunity. If when Ravan walked the earth, he knew how the art of doing the goddess prayer, sinful as he is. When Kubir, the older brother of Ravan, the god of wealth, when he does Devi worship, when he was being beaten by his younger brother, chased as he fought for the castle, the city of Lanka. Lanka wasn't built by Ravan, you know. Lanka is built by Kubir, the god of gold. But his brother comes and takes everything, robs him. This is why they did that Devi prayer. This is why in Ramayana, when they have to go and interrupt what? Ravan's goddess prayer, Bhavani prayer, and they thief all his ingredients in the prayer. When the person wants to destroy all the troubles, the pain, the misery, this is why. How painful and sorrowful and sinful it is when a person who can do this, when they are given the opportunity to be in a body that the hands work, the eyes work, the ears work, and they have the opportunity to worship the goddess so that they can change their future, their predicament, and they choose not to do it. नाना करोति ये जगमाता काली काली बस माये तम शुभ शुभ ये ना भजती ते कथा ये मनुष्य स्वाहा स्वधा जगदात्री तम हिरण्य गर्भा ये याति पाहि 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 गजानना पार्वती नंदा गजानना लंबोदर हे गजानना लंबोदर हे गजानना लंबोदर हे गजानना लंबोदर हे गजानना लंबोदर गज विचारना लंबोदर गज विचारना पाहि 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 गजानना पार्वती नंदा गजानना. This verse in the song Lambodara, you believe in Ganesh Baba. One of my final points tonight. Yeah, man. But Ganesh Baba have a big belly like mine. But when you watch the Hindu god is go to gym. Everybody has six-pack. Everybody is quite muscular. But how come Ganesh Baba have this big rosy size? Why is Ganesh Baba lauded as the one with the huge size, Lambodara, the one with the massive size? Why? When Ganesh Utsav come around, remember to hear it. In one of the discourse where Ganesh Baba is created, Lord Krishna comes to test the mother. The mother Parvati is praying. She's praying and begging, I want to have a child, I want to have a child, I want to have a child. Lord Shiva says, Devi, in that discourse, when you were in sati form, you committed more or less our words, that is suicide. You burnt your body. And for that, in this Janama Parvati, you will not have biological children. This is why you are seeing a slow down, a trouble to have children. You have to do great amount of tapasya and prayer to get that. And she does the Putrishti Yagya. And when she did the prayer, and all the people eat like, oh, what happened here? You know, you have prayers by your house. Whole morning you're sharing parasad and food. And one person going to come. Late in the night, you don't put away all the food. You pack away everything. Do you have anything? Lord Krishna comes in the form of an old, very dirty looking. The body emascerated by fasting. Magas we see. And when he comes knocking on the door, goddess and Lord Shiva come to the cave. And he says, Ma, I've been doing your prayer. But if you don't save me now, I'm about to die. Do you have food? Can you feed your son? Parvati Mata says, how will I turn you back? How could I turn you back? Come. And she put him sit down in the middle. If you ever go to a Hare Krishna temple, you see it. And they start to cook takari. And they put in around Krishnamurti, many takari. A feast, you call it. She starts to go to the kitchen, see it in your mind. And the mother bringing food. And the little Christian in this form, she doesn't know it's Christian, she's being tested. He says, Ma, if you keep feeding me like this, I'm going to swell, I'm going to be big. She says, then let your body swell because of the blessing and the love of this mother. I bless you that when you have this force with the big Lambodhara size, I bless you that you will be so because of my grace. Krishna listened to that and he took it. When she went in one more time and she comes out, only food, no money anymore. And I looked high and low, but no money. But the cry came from the room, baby born, a different kata, different time for Ganesh. And the Akash Vani says, because of your love, that chubby baby on the bed, that is Krishna reincarnate as your son. And he will have this size because of your love. She says that when the person works for my love, oh Janvijay, just as Ganesh, just as Kartik, just as all of them, when you hear in your Navratri, Skan Mata, Skan is Kartik. Just as those devatas got my love and my blessing, every person, no matter their burden, no matter their problem or their difficulty, you can see upliftment. No person, no body, no where, no caste, no jati, no form of life, nothing is beyond help. No matter what mistake you've made in your life, in my eye, you are my child. And that mercy and that grace that you are praying for, if only you come to me in the right way. Guruji says, this is the message of the goddess. Tam sarvaye kunjikaye tam kante sarva kunjikaye tam sarva ye yati shivi vrata ye navratri vrata pal ye na ye yato pahi 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 pahi
पाहि पाहि गजानना पार्वती नंदा गजानना
पार्वती नंदा गजानना
पार्वती नंदा गजानना
पार्वती नंदा गजानना प्रेम से बोलो आदि शक्ति माता की जय. Parvati's son is called Lambodhara, Ganesh Baba, the remover of obstacles. When you have obstacles in your life, that goddess works in your life. But the person, in order to gain the blessing, sometimes we get it in our head that we want the blessing of God, we need the help of God. But how much? If you understand karma as a Sanatanist, when you want to see change, you have to work for it. You have to exert the sacrifice. You have to give the energy, the time that God give you. He give you 60 years, 15 years, 50 years, whatever He give you. Exert that, take that. That is your most precious commodity. Money could work for again. House could build again. Car could buy again. But your time, that will never come again. Whilst you have the time, whilst you have the ability. For example, I always talk about picking flowers. When you come into her prayers, your family have prayers, carry 2 bay leaf from your tree. Get into that habit. It is cheap, it's free. But the sweet scent of the flowers, as we hear about last night, tonight, the potency of the bale flowers, the bale fruit, the bale tree, the bale wood, the bale picker, carry some. Auntie Tanti have prayers, carry some. It doesn't say how much. You need leaves for your prayer? I'll sponsor upon it. I'll sponsor the bay leaf. I have a good tree in my yard. I could do that. And you teach your children. Parents, teach your children about their dharma. Prem se bolo Adi Shakti Mata ki jai. As I pause tonight, this is what our Bhagavad Gita talks about. If the person could do their yagya at a personal level, or as a communal level, as a family that pray together, and they know their dharma, when you do your fasting, when you do your prayer, when you make your offering, and you understand that there is so much more for us to do in this period of time we call Navratri. When you see the names that they're posting on all the social media, Kush Mandal, Skan Mata, there are more discourses to learn. But now it is time for you to worship that form. All when we talk about Durga, fight the bad guy. That is why we worship her, fine. But how to worship her? How to do it? How is the best way so that I get the optimum blessing? So tonight, remember, I'm offering bail, always gain. Just as how, let's say I'm giving out snacks to children tonight. The Hindu who understand that people put beef extract and pork extract in snacks. that are sometimes distributed for our same yagya. If you don't have the habit of reading the ingredients, then you have to be diligent and read it. In the same way, be diligent. When you hear the person say, I'm fixing the doob grass, I'm fixing the bay leaf, this is what they're doing. They're looking for the proper bay leaf in this example. So that when you make the offering, I'm getting all the blessing or optimum blessing. Prem Sabolo Adi Shakti Mata Ki Jai. I hope, as I conclude, I hope you've learned something. I hope in addition to the singing and the packaging with the song, that the inherent knowledge that you and I need to walk closer to our God. Go back now at the beginning when I talk about, imagine you're praying with your beautiful Murti at home and mother appears. She's there living, breathing in front of you. Yes, what you call me for? You're giving me Lapsi and Zohari, flowers, knee, bail, everything. Good, 100 marks. What it is you want? When you understand the bail, when you understand the posture for the dar, for example, you'll say, Ma, see that child of mine? I need some help. Ma, little problem in work, I need your help. Ma, you help me. Thank you very much. In simple words, your prayer could have a lot of potency. Prem Sabolo Adi Shakti Mata Ki Jai. Let's join with one little chant and then we'll have Arti as they prepare Tariya and thing and make sure. Let Vishal sing a chant. Having a senior moment right now.
Hari Sundar.
Then the box to pick up.
Hari Sundar Nanda Mukunda, Hari Narayana Hari Om. 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 Hari Keshava Hari Govinda, 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 Hari Narayana Hari Om. Hari Sundara Nanda Mukunda, Hari Narayana Hari Om. Hari Sundara Nanda Mukunda, Hari Narayana Hari Om. Vanamali Muralidhari, Govana Giravardhari. Vanamali Muralidhari, Govardhan Girivardhari. Vanamali Muralidhari, Govana Giravardhari. Vanamali Muralidhari, Govardhan Girivardhari. Nat nat karma kanchori, Gopi Vanahari. Nit nit karma kanchori, Gopi Vanahari. Nit nit karma kanchori, Gopi Vanahari. Nit nit karma kanchori, Gopi Vanahari. Hari Sundara Nanda Mukunda, Hari Narayana Hari Om. Hari Sundara Nanda Mukunda, Hari Narayana Hari Om. हरि नारायण हरि ओम हरि सुंदर नंद मुकुंदा हरि नारायण हरि ओम हरि सुंदर नंद मुकुंदा हरि नारायण हरि ओम हरि सुंदर नंद मुकुंदा हरि नारायण हरि ओम हरि नारायण हरि ओम हरि नारायण हरि ओम
Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki Jai. Everybody, let's all stand as we're about to conclude with our closing arati. Put your hands together at your chest. Close your eyes just a little bit as we get ready to do arati as the Yajman is going to wave the light. Let's pray and ask Mother in our own hearts. Thank you for the opportunity, dear Ma, for affording us the opportunity and the chance to be in a place of goodness, prayerfulness. As I am learning, if anything penetrated me tonight, if one Inca amount I can go home and practice remembering what the Baba talk about, dear Mother, allow that knowledge to feed into my life. Allow it manifesting in the form of a solution to the problems. My time is so short. We don't have time to waste when we come together. We must go home with information, knowledge that benefits my life. And I thank you for this little meeting. May you bless me to do it again. Sajam cha varti sanyuktam grahina yojitam mayam deepam grahana devesham Trailokya Timirapam.
जय अम्बे गौरी मैया जय
श्यामा गौरी
जय अम्बे गौरी मैया जय श्यामा गौरी तुमको नित दिन जावत हरि ब्रह्मा शिव जी तुमको नित दिन जावत हरि ब्रह्मा शिव जी ओम जय अम्बे
गौरी मैया
जय श्यामा गौरी ओम जय अम्बे गौरी मैया जय श्यामा गौरी मांग सिंदूर विराजत जी को मृग मद को मांग सिंदूर विराजत जी को मृग मद को उज्ज्वल से गौनैना चंद्र वदनी को ओम जय अम्बे गौरी मैया जय श्यामा गौरी ओम जय अम्बे गौरी मैया जय श्यामा गौरी हरिवान राजत काकर कपड़धारी हरिवान राजत कागर कपड़धारी तुम्हारा मुनि जन सेवक
जिनके दुखहारी
ओम
जय अम्बे गौरी मैया जय श्यामा गौरी
ओम जय अम्बे गौरी मैया जय श्यामा गौरी ब्रह्माणी रुद्राणी तुम कमला रानी
ब्रह्माणी रुद्राणी तुम कमला रानी
आगमनी रंभखानी
तुम शिव पतरानी ओम जय अम्बे गौरी मैया
जय श्यामा गौरी ओम जय अम्बे गौरी मैया जय श्यामा गौरी सौसत योग निगावत नित्य करत भैरो
चौसठ योगिनी गावत नित्य करत भैरो
भाजत
together.
Bolo Har 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 Mahadev. Bolo Har 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 Mahadev. Bolo Har 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 Mahadev. Bolo Har 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 Mahadev.
Om Akashatam Patitam Toyam Yadha Grakshatim Tu Sagaram Sarvodem Namaskaram Keshava Pratigrakshate. Ma, we thank you for this chance. May you allow me to remember what I have learned and put it to practice. Let's join together as we do final pratna. Tvameva Mata. Everybody.
Pita Tvameva.
Tvameva Bandhuscha.
Sika Tvameva.
Tvameva Vidya.
Dravinam Tvameva.
Tvameva Sarvam.
Mama Deva Deva.
Tvameva Sarvam.
Mama Deva Deva.
Together. Om Shanti. Everybody.
Shanti.
Shanti. Hari. Prem Sabaloma Pati Mahadeva ki. Pavanapatra Hanuman ki. Shri Adi Shakti Mata ki. Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki. Satya Sanatan Dharma ki Jai. Satya, everybody. Satya Sanatan Dharma ki Jai. Jai Jai Sitaram. Sitaram, everybody. Please have your seat as Prasad Arti is going to come around for everybody.